What's up, guys? One with. Alright, so we're gonna talk things now. I just get up out of my bed because I lay down and all these things that go through my head. I'm gonna say, you know what, I come voice my opinion and chat to my people them a little bit. And I wanna tell me what I think. I want to talk to me in the comment section. Alright, as you can see, I'm still in my night clothes and everything. So I'm gonna talk now. What do you think humanity most scared about? That is my question to you guys. Drop your comment in the comment section because we're gonna talk and we're gonna reason about this. I'm gonna tell me what you think. Me expect for hear on in the comment section. What do you think humanity most scares about? Alright, for me, alright, do you think that we should be equal? Like everybody should be equal. What do you think? Alright, so for me, some people are rich and some people are poor. I feel like if the rich share with the poor and help each other to, you know, navigate and come up to a level, everybody would live and love and care more for each other. Back then, it's totally different from how it is now. Because when I was growing up, I grew up in a bush where there was no light, there was no water, there was no road. And I have to walk maybe like 45 minutes to 50 minutes to get to the shop to buy something to eat. So, and that is pure bush. There was no driving vehicle, couldn't drive nowhere there. So looking at it now, I lay down this morning, I think on life and I say, look where God has taken me from. You know, when I was living in the bush, that's all I knew was the bush. And then when I moved to Kingston, and I was born in Kingston, but when I moved there, it's like I knew more than the bush. So I am thinking to myself, if everybody get the narrative of getting out and of their comfort zone, getting out and in the world, and people should be able to travel wherever they want to travel without have to always it have to be money that people don't have. People should get the opportunity to go places, travel different country, know different nature, culture, life changing opportunities. When you're in the bush, when I was in the bush, all I knew was the bush. Nothing else was living in the bush. It's like nothing else was exist to me. Alright, having a house, it's nice, something that my parents didn't have for themselves. Get to buy a piece of property, something that my parents didn't have for themselves. So I consider myself blessed, because they did not get the opportunity to do so because they were so poor they couldn't afford it. So the thing is, if people get the opportunity to get out there, share what they have with each other, get everybody up on a level where people are not thinking so much about financial and they can able to get out. Don't you think things would have been so much better in life? What do you think? I don't know. It's just something that dawned on me and I want to talk to you about it. What do you think if everybody like okay, so if I am a doctor or I'm an or what do you call it, a physician, whichever, somebody, a lawyer, or and I know that I am earning a certain amount of money, there should like it isn't like maybe like a system should set up where across the board that people could actually get help to uplift them and get to the position where they are in great position where they can help each other. No work should be more like above each other, and people are just working qualification after qualification. What do you think? I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking, maybe I am, but that's me. I'm a thinker and I always thinking things. Do you think that life should be more level where everybody should be on the same page? But because I said when I was in the bush, I know nothing about out here till I'm now here in America where I see so many different lives, so many different people, so many different culture, and get to understand it. people are still out there that have no idea um, what is out there. So because of that, their mind is just in the bush, because that's where I was. My mind was just in the bush. So people don't get the, because of financial money, people don't get access to even go places. What do you think could change that? How do you think life could change where people get to, kids get to go on trip, travel America, travel England, wherever, whichever country, people, kids should get the opportunity, like even like people who have it, who donate to school for kids to go out and enjoy different culture, but send them when they are able to understand different life, you know. I think that, like, for the school especially, give them that opportunity to go to different countries and, you know, travel with an experience, like get them nice fancy hotel where they could stay. They don't used to these things, they have no idea, so it give them a drive to push themselves and said, okay, I want to have a better life. So it will motivate them to, you know, achieve goals in their mind, instead of thinking at one level. You're in the bush, you stay in the bush. All you think about, like, you know, I don't know anything, so I get pregnant at a young age, and this happens to me at a young age, and that happened to me at a young age. So instead of, you know, get them out of their comfort zone from an early age, let them start travel and see what the world is like. So it gives them more advantage of what they should be, if rich parents have it. And that's why, if parents have it, they could take their kids wherever they want to. But I mean, at the poor level of children, they don't know, just like myself, I was in that position where I don't know anything. So give them that, and I'm speaking from experience, give them that advantage where they could get out and get a different mindset of what the world is, not just seeing it on TV and think like it's not real, or, you know, yeah, it filter and everything on TV. But when the kids get that opportunity, when they understand and can travel the world, it is amazing to give a child a certain opportunity. And I want to hear from you. Drop it in the comment section, guys. Me just wait, and me just want to talk to them about this, like, want to really think that humanity really cares about. Because whether I close on this earth, is that we're leaving everything behind. So why not now just help it? Having a house and having 10 houses, and knowing that so many people don't have a house, or having a bank book that is this huge, and knowing that so many people are hungry, it kind of, it make me wonder, like, what are we gonna do with it? We're gonna leave it here, and we don't even know how it's gonna spend. So if I win the lotto tomorrow morning, do you know what I'm gonna donate? Maybe 70% of it. Honestly, like, give it away to family, friends, people that I know who in need. I'm not talking about people that is in a good position that I know. No, I'm talking about people that who is in need. Not giving it. I want them to start up a little business for themselves, do something for themselves with it. I wanted to have somebody to make sure everybody that I giving it to is not just gonna use it and buy food until it's done. I want them to make sure that they build something for themselves. So I would have to get somebody to monitor that. I couldn't do it myself, so I'd have to get somebody to, whosoever is gonna donate, there's something gonna come out of it, so you can always what do you call that word? I forgot the word that I wanted to say. It always bringing in back income, it not just going down and consistently going down. It just, you know, it bringing in, you know, incomes, it bringing in money, so that money will be flipping to, you know, build up places and have workers, and, you know, get people to get jobs where people could work. And now people must start it to work smart and not too hard, and you know what I mean. So that is how I feel. If I have it to an extent, I want to able to help, and this is my word, this is my heart, and this is how I feel. I think if everybody was on the same level where life, you just share what you have, and life maybe would be a better world. People love and show compassion to each other. Nowadays, you walk on the street and you say good morning, people barely answer. That was never how I was raised. I mean, things are changing so fast right in front of your eyes every day, and you're like, what is going on? You walk past somebody, and because you're used to saying good morning, um, and you hear the person don't, and you say good morning and the person don't answer, it's embarrassing. So because of that, now you start to walk on the street and your mouth is closed because you don't want to say good morning and somebody don't answer you because you feel insult. But should you make that stop you from saying good morning, or you should just keep going regardless of not being answered? But guys, just tell me, what do you think humanity more care about? Let me know. Let me know, because as I was saying, different life. We go through different things in life, and we are all human, and we all deserve the best. And I think that if we were equal, life would be so much better for us. What do you think? Drop it in the comment section if you believe that I am right. Drop it in the comment section if you believe the same way as me. Let me know in the comment section. um, Hope you have a blessed day. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, and let me know what do you want me to talk about next, because sometimes people tell me to talk about stuff and I'll just talk about them. So drop it in the comment section and said, this is what I want you to talk about next, and give you my feedback, my opinion. These are my opinion, guys. Okay, so if somebody tell me to talk about something, I just share my knowledge to it, or my opinion to it, and you let me know how I did and that. But what do you think humanity most care about, and what do you think humanity should be most care about? Because we should care about each other, and I think if everyone was on that same level, life would be so much better, and the mindset that we had, that we had would actually advance in doing better in our life. That is how I feel. Because when I was in the bush, as I said, that's all I know was in the bush. So when you get that exposure and you get out and you travel and you enjoy life, you see so much more mind-blowing stuff where you want to be excited to go out and do your best in life, and you want to live a good life away from the bush. So that's my opinion. We need to level up and start to share. People need to share what they have. Their opinions is important. The wisdom, share your wisdom, your knowledge, your understanding, so people can advance, and get and do better in life. That is how I feel about it. So take care, guys. Adios. Like the video. Thank you so much, and have a great day. God bless you guys. Be safe out there, okay?